Happy Friday, guys. Today you are going to follow this screencast. It will tell you exactly what you need to do. First of all, this is your perceived day, so you need a 2x1 table. Make sure you have the date. Make sure with perceived that you come up with your own title. So I need a 2x2 table. If you want to go ahead and do a quick write, go ahead. That's not necessary, but you need a 2x2 table. And then this today, this is going to be your picture. So fill in the 4 boxes like you would with perceive, and then when you get done, this will give you a little information about the picture. Today you are going to finish what you started yesterday, which is this website evaluation. Remember, it's important that 3 of these boxes, 3 of these criteria are done really well. When you get done with this, you are going to fill in this brainstorm chart. Both of these I am going to grade this weekend. So your topic sentence is going to look something like this. Information on this site states, and this is going to depend on this. This is going to depend on that category in the middle. So I'm actually going to change that around. Information on this site talks about reasons for whatever your topic is. That's your narrowed topic, this right here. Narrowed topic. Narrowed topic. Whoa. Information on the site states reasons for narrow topic, and this site either is or is not a site I would use for research. Okay, so this is going to be your topic sentence. You're going to figure out if it is a good site for research or not a good site for research. You're going to put your narrow topic in, and then whatever that category is. Okay, then this site is, you're going to choose one of these. This site is credible. You're going to give 2 details that prove it's credible. And then you're going to do this site is, choose another one like bias, give 2 reasons it's biased. This site is accurate, whatever you want to use. And then you're concluding, overall this site would be excellent, good, fair, poor for research because it is or is not. And then those 3 main ideas that you chose, you're going to write out here. Okay, that's your concluding sentence. So filling this chart is important. When you fill in this chart, make sure that you have at least 1 compound sentence, and make sure, ooh, I don't like that at the bottom. Make sure, make sure you have 1 complex sentence. Okay, now, honor students, you want the site to be biased because you just want one side of the information. So if you say your site is biased, that would make it good for research. Other students, you don't want a biased site for research because you want the exact information. Okay? When you get this done, you can go back to this research template and you can do your research. I'm going to tell you this is going to be kind of important. A, look at what I told you to do as far as researching for that. B, when you add a new card in, make sure that when you take notes, I would say there's 2 to 3 sentences on each card, and that would make sure that that you have enough information when it comes to your paragraph. So I'm not sure why this is read only, so I can't add cards, but when you add cards, make sure you have 2 to 3 sentences on every single card on your page. So in the end, and you won't have this done today, it's too much, but in the end you'll have main ideas, 2 supporting details for your red. That's your first point, second point, third point, 2 to 3 sentences on each card. The most important thing today is getting this done and getting this done. I will grade only what you've done in class, so I need you to use the class time wisely, and then I will grade those that will be your first grade of 3rd trimester. If you have questions because you were gone yesterday, talk to one of your group members. Otherwise, it should be completely silent and everyone should be working on their research. I'm going to remind Amira, you need to be on a back computer so the teacher can look at your research, and Gabrielle, you need to be on a back computer so the teacher can look at your research. Have a good weekend. Remember, you guys have Monday and Tuesday off. You can work on your research at home.